Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to yet another episode of Bowl or Brown Out Loud, a podcast where we bring to you the most fun real life Desi stories. I'm your host Sania and I'm joined by my co host and sister Anam.
The only person who listens to you, Sanya. On the first and third Tuesday of every month, we've been bringing you stories rooted in our brown experiences. Whether it's a wild adventure, a quirky character, or a kahani made twist, we are sharing stories that are making you lol. So let's continue with the tradition and get this episode started.
Today's episode is about restaurants. You know, the place where we used to go to eat before the pandemic and not just order takeout from. Remember those times, Anam?
Sanya, I think people still go to the restaurants. It's just you who's like, मैं घर घुसनी हूँ."
Yeah, I miss going to restaurants,
I
honestly.
don't miss it at all.
You are also not the people who go to restaurants, Anam? Great that we are doing an episode on restaurants when neither of us go to one.
Like, this is the target audience that the restaurants need to listen to if they want to up their business. But yeah, restaurants are a big part of our life, even though we don't go to the restaurants, right, Sanya?
You know what? I'm going to change that about myself and talk the talk and walk the walk. And I'm going to start going to restaurants now that this episode is releasing.
Sanya, you're lying. You always go to big restaurants like Michelin star restaurants, and you're like, It's so beautiful. I didn't feel like eating it." The food.
That is not me. You got me confused with someone else, girl.
You. Anyway, I remember going to restaurants growing up with a big group.
Yeah, because it was like kisi ki shadi hui, kisi ki birthday, big celebrations. People would take you out to a restaurant in these big cousin groups, and we have like a lot of cousins,
Yeah.
and you had to eat whatever was like closest to you.
And all
Because when they were ordering, you're like, wow, मैं तो Manchurian भी खाऊंगी, ये भी खाऊंगी. But when the food comes, like it's just like the table is so big, you have to just eat one thing.
but Sanya, I never remember, I don't recall ever being asked what I want to eat. It was just a set order and everyone had to just go there and eat.
Don't lie.
No one
You
ever
were
asked me.
like, you were like, मैं chicken sweet corn soup भी पीऊंगी मम्मी मैं ये भी करूंगी. You were always
No,
like demanding
obviously.
food.
I was calling dibs at everything that was being ordered, but did anyone ask me what should we order? Never.
You wanted everything from the menu, Anam.
Very funny, Sanya. That's you. But
You were like, bring me everything. It was so embarrassing.
hear me out here. I mean, I don't have a I don't have a memory of people scanning through the menu. They would just go to that restaurant, say, we will have two Manchurian, da, da, da. Like a set order was always there, and everyone came out happy. Never tried new
Because that
things.
was that's not true, Anam. You couldn't read. So you don't know if they
Maybe.
were reading. Maybe they did a good scan and they were ordering things that they liked or knew what was good at that place. Maybe. Did you consider that?
Anyway, moving on. Remember, going out sometimes always meant going to the Chinese restaurant.
Yes.
Indian
That was
in
our favorite. That's my favorite place to eat.
Spicy Bite was our place,
Chinese.
right?
All you Lucknow folks, remember Spicy Bite? It still exists.
Yeah.
Please go give them some business.
Look at Sanya giving a shout out, thinking she's going to get free soup from Spicy Bite. But anyway, speaking of soup, Sanya, do you remember the soup orders in Spicy Bite? That
Yes. Yeah, it was like not just Spicy Bite, but yeah, we ate Chinese at Spicy Bite. It was like you had to split the soup. Nobody ever had a full soup,
yeah.
which I love because you could eat more stuff and not just eat soup. It was like 1 by 2 kar dijiye, 2 by 3 kar dijiye, and the waiter did all the math, which I feel is a challenge I give to American servers. Like 3 by 4 करके दिखाइए आप.
It was just too much math for me for food. So yeah, not doing your homework, going out with your family, then being reminded about your fractions test tomorrow, that just didn't help at all. So yeah.
that that really actually makes sense, Anam, because you were never saying कि मुझे 1 by 2 ज़्यादा है या 2 by 3. You never got it. You were
Basically,
just
what I
like,
was saying is that even if I got 1 by 2 or 3 by 4, I never got जो bottom में chicken रह जाता है. That was always taken away in that 1/2, 2/3 thing. Yeah. And forget, like, if you got the soup, you were lucky enough. Never did I ever get a chance to say that the sauces and the vinegar that come with it, वो plate जरा यहाँ pass कर दो. It was always far away.
Because you were five. You didn't need the hot chutney, Anam. Like, seriously, Anam is like behaving like she was deprived of restaurant food. Like, we made her sit on the floor and give her some slim pickings.
No, but I want to give a shout out to one of my cousin's husband who used to treat me like an adult and listen to me what I had to say in life because there was no one to do that. And when I was 10, he took me to Spicy Bite and he said that you're a grown up now, get off chicken sweet corn. And he ordered hot and sour for me. And since then, I've been a hot and sour fanatic.
Cousin's husband, you need to visit Anam again and tell her how she needs to upgrade from hot and sour. Talking about soup, Anam, I actually miss saying non-veg here.
I
I used to,
know. Yeah.
because the waiters would say, "Ki veg khayegi, madam, non-veg." So first you had to like that was the first filter they would ask. So half the menu would go away based on what you choose.
Yeah, I mean, there is no word as non-veg in the dictionary.
Oh, yeah, we know that, Anam, but that's a very, very functional word because it's like everything that is not vegetarian, you gave me. I am here for gluttony today. And
Carnivore.
there's a food spectrum that I want to talk about, which is like unique to India, right? So there's non-veg on one side, then you have veg, and you're like, okay, but then you have pure veg, which is
Just
which is
yeah, just uproot the tree right there and give it to you to munch.
no, Anam, pure veg is no anda. Pure veg is like none of the dishes have touched meat ever in their life. And then there is Jain food. Like that's the spectrum,
But
right?
Sanya, come on. That spectrum ka version in North America is vegan and gluten and whatnot. So yeah. They
Not
have a Jain food
really.
version here. I just don't know what it's called. It's called gluten vegan something. Like basically you're starving, according to me. There's a spectrum here too.
Yeah, but not a fun one. Like ours was a fun one. It's like कि pure veg है आप Jain food खाते हैं, veg खाते हैं, non-veg खाते हैं. That's a more fun spectrum. But going back to the food spectrum, Anam, remember Chinese bhel in Bombay?
Yum, yeah, of
I
course I
feel like
do.
that's the quintessential dish of rebelling within bounds, where you wanted the Chinese flavors but not the meat. So you were like, I'll just take the flavors and put it in bhel.
So basically, I'm sure that the noodle wala and the bhelpuri wala business were not going well. So they said, let's just mix
Collab.
it up, collab. This was the first collab ever, and it was a success. That was Chinese bhel.
That was the most unique food that I had eaten or
Chinese
have
bhel?
eaten. Yeah. And Shezwan idli. Just the collabs with Chinese food are mind blowing for me.
उनके बच्चों ने शेज़वान इडली बना दी नूडल वाले और भेलपुरी वाले ने. But yeah, this is not the weird. It can be weird sounding, but they tasted really good.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
tasted good, but it was too unique.
So I've had tandoori chicken momos in Vancouver.
Like how they say it
Yeah.
here.
Interesting.
It was interesting.
Yeah. Yeah. So, oh my God, we should order food right now. But moving on, Sanya,
We don't have the budget.
moving on, what are your most embarrassing restaurant experiences?
Damn. I have a
One.
real embarrassing one. I once went to a Michelin star restaurant. I was like really worried that I have to make the most out of it. And all the food has like so much smoke that you don't know what it is. And it was deconstructed food. The theme was like India, like it was like India inspired. So they put like this white thing on my plate, and I was like, "Oh, looks like petha." And I just put it in my mouth, and then the server turned, and he was like, "No, ma'am, that was the hand towel." I was so embarrassed. Then I ate the hand towel.
Oh my
Like
God, Sanya.
he was going to pour water in it so that it expands, but I ate it before that.
Oh my God, Sanya, you and your conquest to search for petas landed you chewing cloth. Like you chew.
Like I did a true palate cleanser.
Okay, I don't think I have one that tops it, but I remember in school, one of my friends said, "Why don't you come over the weekend to celebrate my birthday?" And we were like, "Oh, where's your home?" And she said, "You guys know the new restaurant Sellers? Just come there." So a group of our friends just assumed that that's where the birthday was being celebrated. So we reached there and our friend was not there. So we obviously ordered for her too. And just when the order came in, so did my friend. And she's like, "What are you guys doing? This was just a landmark to meet. There's food that mummy has made." And we were like, "What?" And so we had no money
Wait, why did you not have money?
because we were going on a treat that a friend was giving. We spent the money on her gift, which was gift wrapped. So they had these puzzles and crayons for kids, and we started solving them. And then very casually asked the waiter, "Ki price kya hai iska?" Thinking ki kuch paise milenge. But literally, I had visuals of washing bartan. But we were like, we can't just leave. And so we went and asked money from each of our drivers.
Talk about privilege.
Yeah, our chauffeurs paid for our bill. We couldn't tip also. Yeah, that's been embarrassing.
That was what was embarrassing, and that she couldn't tip.
Not really, yeah. But the thing is, I have as an adult during college time, we've gone to restaurants, looked at the menu because this time online menu nahi hota tha, and then realized, oh my god, this is an expensive place, and then picked up a pretend phone call and left. So yeah.
That also reminds me, like पहले online menu नहीं होता था. My friend, she had like a portfolio of menus.
Hence your friend.
Binder,
You
binder of menus. She used to collect. That was a collectible.
hence your friend.
Yes.
Took food
You
and made
know
it
who you are,
organized
girl.
and made a folder and talked about it and indexed it. Yeah. Yeah. But
Yeah, it was good. I also remember Anna, embarrassing restaurant experience with Amma. Remember when we went to a hibachi restaurant with Amma?
yes,
For folks like who are wondering what it is, they cook the food for you.
the chef stands and you're right next to the station and it's freshly cooked and
Yeah,
whatever.
and they do kind of tricks.
Yeah,
Like they
with
do tricks
fire.
with the
Yeah.
knife
Yeah.
and fire. And we were like loving it because it was like a spectacle. And Amma was just like, अब ये हम यहाँ बावर्ची को खाना पकाते देखने आए.
I
You know,
remember
she's like, I am micromanaging the maid at home all the time. I don't need to see this.
like Amma just sucked out the luxury piece from it because she was like pochoing her face with the rumal and saying इतनी गर्मी इतने पास stove के बैठे हैं and then he was obviously doing these amazing tricks where he put the ring onions together and the fire was coming and he was blowing fire at all the people and my mom was like having a panic attack saying कि इसमें बिल्कुल अंगारे निकल रहे हैं and everything so she was hating it.
Since we're talking about hibachi, which we didn't have in Japan, but here in America, let's discuss some. So I don't know how it happens in Japan, to be honest, because I have never been there. Uh, let's discuss some fresh off the boat experiences that happen when you arrive in America.
In America or Canada, Sanya. In America or
Oh,
Canada.
okay. North America. Okay, Anam. Fine. Anam lives in Canada. She has to constantly tell everyone that she is Canadian. Um,
A different country, not a different state.
That's what she tells Amma when Amma comes to America and she says, "Ki Anam, tum yahan aa jao." And Anam is like, "It's an international flight, okay?"
Yeah, whatever. Fresh off the boat experiences, Sanya. Come on.
One for me that tops the list is water with no ice. Like, how difficult is it to get water with no ice, yeah? It's like full of ice
But
here.
here's my question because I'm married to one person who gets irritated when there's ice in the water. It's like
Me too.
it'll eventually melt and become water and he's like, "You know what? Take this back. Get it without the ice."
I am that too. Because it doesn't melt here, Anna.
Mm.
It doesn't melt
Yeah,
fast.
you're
These are cold countries. It
it
doesn't
will
melt.
eventually melt. By the time you swallow your hand towel, things will melt, even if it's in Alaska. But go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, one thing is like, dude, I need water with no ice. This is something obviously that Annam has done, and if she says no, then she's lying.
What?
What do you do when you can't pronounce name of dishes?
I just point at them. I don't have.
You are like, I'll have this
Yeah. So,
on the menu.
yeah, I'll say.
If there is no picture, you just mumble something, or you just
No, I just say, out of these two, which is your favorite? And that person already likes me. And then I say, okay, I'll have that one. So, yeah.
so you just order what the server likes and not what you want to get. So you don't mispronounce ever, Anam.
No, I
That
just
you
point
say,
at
"Can I
it.
get
Yeah, I just
can
point.
I get a bruschetta?" And they're like, "Oh, bruschetta," and then you're like,
When
"Hmm."
people can call naan bread and chai tea, then that's also a form of mispronunciation. You're calling bread
No,
bread.
Anam, that's not what mispronunciation means.
It is, but in some way, you can't say I want bread bread and chai chai. So hence, I
You can say, "I want chai, chai, chai."
just like your hello
Of
hello
course you
hello.
can.
Okay, go ahead. Um,
Okay, what are other experiences, Anam?
Offbeat
Share
experiences.
some.
Yeah, the fact that you have to, like, the takeaway, you only have to, like, they're like, ye lo plate or khud le jao types. I've always have that thing, and then it's not my job. I'm
They give you the box. Yeah, they give you the box to pack it yourself, which is a shocker because in India they never do that. They pack it nicely and bring it to your
Yeah, you have
table.
to, and it's a strategy. It's not easy to box everything like what you've ordered, right? And I'm just like,
Yeah.
hear me out here, because I want to go to a restaurant and momentarily feel rich because there's a waiter who acts like my butler. Everything comes. I don't have to wash
And it's
dishes.
called a server.
Whatever, waiter in India. But here I am trying to be in a bubble that I'm rich because this is how food is served to me. And then they give me boxes that go put it yourself. And then, yeah, that bubble bursts. So, yeah.
Yeah, they don't make you feel like really special here in North America when you're
Yes.
ordering.
Yes.
That's for sure.
But with Sanya, it's easy because there are never leftovers. So you can skip the boxing part.
I was just going to say that the food portions here are big, but I'm going to skip that one
Yes.
because that's a lie.
But one of the offbeat experiences that come to mind is that when I came to the US for the first time, I was just amazed, like pleasantly surprised that before I even had my last sip of the Pepsi or the Coke, a server used to come and refill it. Like it was just refill after refill. And then I literally asked Seher, saying that they're refilling the drinks, but what about the food? Why they're not refilling that? And she's like,
Anam, that's so dumb.
because she's like, I'm paying for it. That's why it's not being refilled.
Anam was in her 20s, by the way.
Yeah, I
So,
was in the
guys,
land
let
of
that sink
plenty.
in.
I was
Let that
just.
sink in. She was like, हमें free खाना नहीं मिलता यहाँ.
Nah, I thought that if they're refilling the drinks, they'll refill the plates also. Okay, it's a genuine.
There is a there is a limit to what the complementary nature of things are now. How will the restaurant run if they will keep refilling your plate for free?
Okay, go ahead.
Seriously.
Anyway, next would be fresh off the boat experiences can be
Allergies.
oh
One thing here
yeah.
you have to ask about allergies,
या
right?
लाइक हम लोग तो खा के आते थे फिर घर पे पित्ती उछलती थी नेवर ब्लेमिंग द फूड फॉर इट बट यहाँ आई गॉट टू नो दैट देर कंसिडर्ड इनफ टू से आर यू allergic and I always say not that I know of because never been
You
taught.
never know.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm allergic to 10 things, but I'm like, पहले लाओ खा के देखते हैं, फिर तो आराम से पेट भर के मरेंगे. That mentality is what we come from.
I was thinking, as we are talking about restaurants, what are some things we don't want to pay for in restaurants anymore?
Water.
Yeah, hate paying for
I
water.
went to Turkey, and as soon
That
as
happens in Europe more.
oh yeah, so I went to Turkey, and as soon as I sat in any place, they used to get a basket of breads. But we would be like water, and they would be like, oh, you have to pay for it, like get it, order it.
Yeah.
That was like, ye mera hak hai, pani. So yeah,
Yeah. You had to also pay for water in Dubai. And when I told my friend, she was like, यार यहाँ बनता है. ये रेगिस्तान है. you know. Which I was like, true. Also, I have want to stop paying for extra sauces,
Who? Where
like
do you
extra
go?
condiments, extra chutney. Like they are like coconut chutney with your sambar is going to be more. Yes,
No,
I want to stop with
I
that.
go to South Indian restaurants and just drink all the chutney, and no one charges me for
Thanks
that.
to you, they have stopped doing that now.
Really? You go to restaurants where they ask you to pay for more chutney? So that's how bougie
Yes.
Sanya is. Okay. What else, Sanya?
What else? I feel we should. I want to stop paying for deconstructed food. Where if I have to put together a plate myself, then I don't want to pay for
Same
it. Like,
thing,
what am I
right?
paying
That's
for?
what I exactly told you. Like, I have to put the food that was left and pack it myself. Then why did I pay for this?
That
Same
is
thing.
not deconstructed
It is
food.
again reconstructing the food that I had constructed. Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, and obviously Anam doesn't want to pay for the salaries of the servers because she hates tipping.
It's and especially here because when you go to a takeout and you say I'll have a coke and she opens the fridge and gives you a coke and it asks tip yes or no. Like seriously.
Yeah, people like restaurant establishments, please pay your servers. This is
Yes.
a public service announcement. Like, don't pass the cost to us.
पूरे
Like,
हफ्ते
Anam just asked for a Coke.
पूरे
Like,
हफ्ते के
वो
पैसे
fridge खोल के निकाल लेती खुद.
नहीं एग्जैक्टली पूरे हफ्ते पैसे इकट्ठा करके मैं गई कोक खरीदने वहां फिर मुझे सबका ख्याल रखना है और सबको टिप करना है देन घर पे नींबू शरबत ही पी लेती मैं एनीथिंग
Yes, and that brings me to some hacks that people do, like Anam, if restaurants don't give them free stuff. Anam, share your hack.
Sanya, you have done this always. I think it comes from अम्मा आई डोंट नो बट जब बिल आता है और उसमें सौंफ होती है और मीरा सौंफ होती है देन यू ऑलवेज टेक अ टिश्यू पेपर एंड मेक अ छोटी सी पुड़िया फॉर फ्यूचर.
Oh, yeah, I carry some soft, yeah, for the road,
And Sanya has
like they
these
say.
napkins of different restaurants and different soap in it.
Potli,
Potli.
soft ki
Yeah,
potli.
Sanya carries a soft
Yes.
potli, yeah. Because she's like, bill diya hai to sab main le lungi. And even sometimes at the bill in if it's not soft, then there are these candies. And I remember
I will eat that
yeah,
candy.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I love those hard candies.
Yeah. So
Yep.
Sanya doesn't pick one, she just wipes off the plate and puts it in her bag. Yeah, that's a hack. But Sanya, I have one more. In during
Mm-hmm.
college days, mainland China was a very fancy place to go to. But we found a hack that if you say it's your birthday, they used to get this tiny little cake and they used to create a whole celebration.
Anam, you found the hack. You didn't find the hack. That's the hack everyone knows about.
And every month or every 2 months, we used to go and have a fake birthday and say it's her birthday today. So that way, we had free dessert, a celebration, a photograph clicked, and we came back happy and got a free piece of cake, which we used to all share. So that was a hack. Always say it's your fake birthday. You don't know what's coming. But I wanted to transfer that hack to North America, and there have been times when my husband has told people that it's my real birthday when it has been my birthday, and they've said, "Oh, good for her, happy birthday to you," and never got anything. The restaurant industry here doesn't go that extra mile, right, Sanya?
Yes. Maybe because you don't tip them.
Okay, Sanya, enough of our bakwas of food and not
बकवास मत कीजिए.
anyway. अपने जोक्स पे हंसने से फायदा नहीं है तुम अपना किस्सा बताओ.
Actually, I don't have a kissa for today.
Sanya's not done her homework for the first time in her life.
Yes, that's right. But because I have a new game to play, so let's
Sanya,
do
you those
that.
people. मैंने ये वाला assignment नहीं किया, but मैंने last next year का पूरा course कर लिया है. हाँ.
Yes, that's what I've done. So let's go play a new game. Okay, Anam, I came up with a new game. खाने के बहाने.
Oh my God, Sanya, this is meant for you. This should have been your PhD thesis. Like the
More people
bahanas
would
you
have read
make to
it.
eat food. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
so Anam,
Sanya,
game
no,
rules.
no, no, no,
Okay.
no. I just realized doing all these podcasts with you, and now that I think of this game, there are
We
like
only do one podcast.
whatever, multiple Bollywood songs have come in my mind.
Like जब
Like,
तक रहेगा समोसे में आलू.
no, I was thinking like, तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूँ? Like, to hell with you, girl.
Sonam, rules are simple. I will throw a khana at you and you will tell me the bahana for ordering that food. Okay?
Got it.
All right. Let's start. Noodles.
दाम भी ओके, काम भी ओके, पेट भी भरता है और मतलब पॉकेट में ज़्यादा होल भी नहीं होता है।
Indulgence on the cheap.
Yes, my life. Pizza.
Pizza is like group hang when you don't know the people because everybody kind of likes pizza. Safe thing to order.
Also, if you're weak in fractions, they already cut it for you, so you can just...
Yeah. So with Anam.
Okay, Sanya, your
Okay.
chance.
Bruschetta.
Trying to impress people जब तुम अभी फॉरेन की ट्रिप से आई हो, it's like bruschetta खाऊंगी मैं, यहाँ होता रस बिस्किट और टमाटर है, but yeah. Okay, my chance. Wrap.
Wrap. I think when you don't want a second date because it's too messy.
Okay, Sanya, let's keep it to that. I don't want to know the story behind that. Your chance.
Okay. I would say salad. When would you order that?
I think I'll order it with work colleagues pretending like this is what I eat every day. Like
Like, I'm
radish salad.
healthy.
Yeah. I won't even take the meat with it. Just have the ghaspoos, yeah. Pretending to be cool in front of work colleagues would be my answer.
Okay.
my
Your turn.
cream cheese bagel.
When you want to feel like a New Yorker.
FYI, Vancouver has better bagels than New York, but anyway.
What?
For that,
Vancouver versus New York? Food wars?
yes, next episode. For that, Sanya needs to visit me. Sanya, your chance.
Okay. Sandwiches.
I mean, with Joey Tribbiani, I'm a big Friends fan, but yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I wouldn't
You
order
gotta,
a sandwich.
you gotta bring your own sandwich with Joey. My turn. Kulcha Nahari.
Ooh, when in Lucknow, yaar. याद दिला दिया kulcha nahari ka. Yeah, when in Lucknow. I've never had kulcha nahari outside of Lucknow ever.
Yeah. Yep. That's
Yeah.
a Lucknow stuff thing.
Okay, my chance. Chaat.
Golgappe. I don't know.
Yeah.
With someone you're close with, it's very vulnerable food. So
Yeah, it's with
good
school friends
friends.
and college friends.
Yeah, nostalgia.
Like they've lived through your uglyhood, so you can have golgappe with them and ask for
Yes.
more. Yeah, I get
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Okay,
All
your
right.
chance, man.
Last one. Dessert.
Right after blood work is done.
Good one. You know, Anam, we've been playing this new game, but what about our audience favorite game, Bowl Baby Poll?
The mega hit of the podcast.
Yes, today we are playing Bowl Baby Poll again, where we ask ridiculous questions to our audience and make them vote on it. And then we try to guess them and fail miserably at it. Right, Anam?
Speak for yourself, Sanya.
Yeah, right. You lost. You only got 2 out of 6 right. But Anam, guess who was pissed with us for doing so badly in the polls?
Amma, for sure.
No, not Amma, but none other than the OG sister, Seher.
The Zeri girl?
She was so pissed. She was like, "Naak kata di tum logon ne."
Sanya, this can add to her list of being pissed with us. So yeah, nothing
Yeah,
new for us.
because she listens to every podcast, to get matter for suing us. And you know what she has done today? She said that she is going to come on the poll today.
Oh my God, this is exciting. Are we going to give Seher a call?
Yes. So let's do that. Hi, Seher.
हाँ सानिया बोलो हे अनम
सेहर तुम पॉडकास्ट पे हो बाय द वे फोन पे नहीं तो ज्यादा कुछ लीक मत करना
finally it took you guys 13 episodes to have me over
and
मैं तुम्हें
finally it took us 13 missed calls for Seher to finally pick up the phone so yeah it's a win-win
But guys, I'm going to up the standard here. मैं बताऊंगी तुम लोगों को कि कैसे चीजें करनी चाहिए और तुम
Like
लोग के ये
always.
like always और जो सड़े easy questions, I'm going to up the game here.
By popular demand, Seher, you are here, so the stage is all yours. Come on.
Yep. ठीक है, so I've thought through this and I'm going to ask this question and I'll give you your options. Same ही format रख रही हूँ, ज़्यादा stress लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? What's the most, अनम फिर से सुनना, मैं question वापस नहीं repeat करूँगी. What's the most desi thing to happen at a restaurant? ठीक है? Option A, there's never enough spice, asking for extra condiments to up the spice level. Option B, taking photos of every dish from every angle. Actually, अगर मैं ये सदफ से पूछ रही होती तो वो ज़रूर इसका आंसर यही होता, but तुम लोग, I don't know. Option C, reviewing the food like a master chef judge. खाना बनाना आता नहीं है, but anyways, I doubt that you're doing this. And option D, dramatic payment war at the end कि बिल इधर लाओ. ठीक है? Clear on the options?
Yes.
Yeah.
चलो, Sanya, you go first.
Man, the stakes are so high here. Seher हम लोगों को पॉकेट मनी काट देगी वरना. I think I would go with A. Never enough spice. Asking for extra condiments to up the spice level.
हाँ, मुझे
सानिया
लग ही रहा था तुम यही करोगी जो तुम अपनी वो डब्बे में वो सब लेकर जाती हो हर जगह. Yes, it's a very typical Sanya response. 100% predictable. ठीक है. चलो अनम, अब तुम प्लीज ये ना बोलना कि फिर से रिपीट करो सब कुछ.
मुझे तो बोर्ड एग्जाम टाइप फीलिंग हो रही है क्योंकि मैं पक्का फेल होने वाली हूँ. हिस्ट्री रिपीट इटसेल्फ. बट हाँ, आई थिंक ये सानिया के टाइप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स है जो बनना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ हमारे दर्शक सानिया के फ्रेंड्स है जो आंसर करते हैं. सो आई थिंक दे आर लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, आई विल पे फॉर इट, एंड देन दे डोंट पे फॉर इट. सो इट्स ऑप्शन 4, having the war and actually not having that war of trying to pay and never taking out the actual credit card.
वाओ अनम, तुमने ये गेस किया कि ड्रामेटिक पेमेंट वॉर एट द एंड कि बिल
Yes.
इधर लाओ, बिकॉज तुम दोनों ने आज तक मेरे साथ ये कभी नहीं बोला है. आई एम द वन ऑलवेज फुटिंग द बिल.
Sanya, do you remember when we go to eat food with Seher and we pretend it's our credit card, but it's like Cinemax का card. It's अभी हम पे करेंगे.
सानिया को तो सानिया तो भूल भी जाती है कि कहाँ उसका पर्स है. एक मिनट.
That's better than Anam always going to the bathroom. जब भी लाता है.
Seriously guys, and Anam of all the people taking कि ये उसका ऑप्शन होना चाहिए, but actually
Okay,
not
answer
bad,
time.
sisters. Okay.
Who won? Did one of us win?
Yes,
One
you
of us
did.
won?
And it's none other than Anam Zaidi. But Sania, you were really close. So it's 6, well, not really close, but in terms of sizing, 65% of our people said, "Bir idhar lao pe fight hoti hai," typical Desi Indians. But the next big chunk was 30% people who said, "There's not enough spice."
But here's the thing, 60
damn.
and 30 में जमीन आसमान का difference है. तो जो
Look at
हारी
Anam
Anam
doing
is working on her math.
There should
अच्छा,
come
guys,
every time.
No, I'm so proud of you, Anam. Just like your board exam, you have surprises here also.
पप्पू पास हो गया.
लेकिन गाइज एक और बात है जिसके लिए मैं मेन आई थी कि हम लोग ना एक इंटरेस्टिंग रेस्टोरेंट स्टोरी, हम लोग पिछले हफ्ते के एक रेस्टोरेंट गए. यू डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड.
Okay.
तो मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड्स गए. हे गाइज, सॉरी, ओह शिट, आई नीड टू ड्रॉप ऑफ, आई हैव अ कॉल, बाय.
What? What
The
the hell?
cliffhanger sister has done it again. There's a reason why she's not she's a guest on our podcast, because her guest appearance happens in our lives too. चली गई आधी
Dude,
story
she
सुना
thought it was a phone call. वो भूल गई कि हम लोग रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
आदत से मजबूर हमेशा कहती है कि मीटिंग और निकल लेती है. हम लोग यहाँ सोचते हैं पता नहीं जीवित है कि नहीं.
Okay,
सानिया,
folks.
Sanya, I won, and हम लोग
Good
tally
for
कर दिखा
you.
देंगे.
Good
Yeah,
for you, Anam, that
yeah,
you won.
yeah.
I'm so happy for you. And folks, we will never know that interesting story that Seher ने अपनी दोस्तों के साथ restaurant में की. If we do, we will let you know. And I think that brings us to closing, Anam.
Finally, closing like a winner. That's a wrap on another episode of Bowl. Thank you for hanging out with us and being a part of our storytelling journey. Like, share, subscribe, and catch us on Apple, Spotify, Audible, YouTube, and GeoSavan. Just look for Brown Out Loud. And if you want to be a part of our podcast, then send us your stories. Write to us or send us a voice note on our email, brownoutloudbowl@gmail.com. No spaces. Or DM us on Instagram at brownoutloud. Until next time, it's us, Sanya and Anam, signing off and keeping the stories alive. Adab! Sanya's again choking on a hand towel.
Adab. Bye.